Hi, this is Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI. With the upgraded AIVI technology, T8 AIVI recognizes and avoids multiple objects. You can say bye to robots getting stuck from now on. It intelligently decides how to clean around obstacles. Brand new cleaning report. You won't miss a spot. The pioneered True Mapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. Three levels of suction power. No dust will be missed. Simultaneously vacuums and mops in one pass. 240 milliliter water tank for longer working time, more efficiently and effectively than others. For the first time, say hi to home from anywhere by on-demand live video stream from your moving Deebot. Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI for a better looking home. 2020 grand launch.